Everyone loves a refreshing booze, and probably on many people's list will be the mighty Mojito with simple limes and lemons. Super simple and easy to make, so let's get started. Slice lemons and add in mint leaves. Normally you'd want to add limes and lemon, but we could only get our hands on lemons, so we used lemon as an alternative. Okay, we are using apple mint here. Two tablespoons of sugar. And 1 bottle of soju. Mojito is usually made with rums, but this time we're gonna be using soju, which is a type of gin from Korea, and additional fruits to lighten up the spirit. All those other fruits coming in are optional, so if you don't have it, it is totally okay to skip it. Classic Mojito will not ask for berries or grapes anyways. This is our twist on Mojito. And 1.5 liter of Sprite or tonic water. Once again, we only had Sprite, so here we go. They taste fine. Enjoy and drink responsibly.